Shibanta banrat ding khong ya jing pang TB ka office u district tuberculosis officer ribhoi district thak ar pusau tere ula ber ar hajar ar pulai kala rakhe ka world tuberculosis day ha science hall Nongpoh halor kaphang yes we can end TB kibaladon rangkat hakani ka singi Shillong u deputy commissioner ka ribhoi u arpet upadhyay u Dr. P Kharnari DMNHO ribhoi district B Dengan DSP ribhoi kong PL Nonglat DSEO ribhoi Dr. C Poshna Bethany Hospital Nongpoh, Dr. Bla Additional DMHO Nongpoh, ki Asha, ki Khana School, ki nong trek office district tuberculosis but ki wei. Ki nong kran ki ba pasat jingmot ha kani ka sngi, ki kran ne ka jing ma ba ka jing shir khai jo kani ka jing pang TB, but ki la ai ka jing khuble kar pang ru e ka tanat tuberculosis, ka bala shim khia ban penlong e kani ka program, ka ba don kam e nak ban ta ki pat ba. Nakaliang ka office district tuberculosis officer ribhoi kala ai khusnam ru shikinong trei ka tanat ka koit ka khia iki khna school ki bala job haki jinga ko ba pher bala penlong naka office district tuberculosis officer.
We have around, we split 4 samples for diagnosis purpose. The target was around 5 lakhs. I won't give you the exact figure because there's no point. 5 lakhs 97, 5 lakhs 97,000. The achievement was 5 lakhs 54,000 at a percentage of 93%. And the TB presumptive testing, the target per 1500 per lakh was 4,950. And the achievement was 4,496, almost achieved to the nearing the figure. The tuberculosis notification was targeted for 420 and the achievement was 406. And the success treatment in patient treated in 2021, the target was 378 and the achievement was 321. So we are almost near the target rate and the achievement. That also, these all were done in a very short span of time. As the facilities, I believe in the, I won't say that, but non-Khasis, they don't practice of what we do. What we practice here in the villages, you'll see most of a father will carry a child right behind and he will be smoking. That already make the child a passive smoker. Later on, which develop into many kind of respiratory tract infection and even later on to such a dreadful disease, like you say, tuberculosis. So that way, it might spread even to the pregnant woman if they are all smoking in one room. In the village, it happened like that. I've seen the people, the elders, they'll be smoking. Right inside the room, they already smoke. And they are the passive inhaler. So become a passive smoker. Even the grown-up also will be affected.